Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my videos and liking my videos. This is your own channel. Today this is very beautiful crochet bag pattern videos. We all love a good crochet bag pattern. These will come in handy when it comes to making personalized gifts for personal use or for selling. Check out our collection. It is almost more than 50 beautiful crochet bags. Who are new crocheting or those with more experiences, crochet bags never go out of style. They are both easy and fun to make. Crochet bags also come in many forms, from beach bags to totes and purse. And if you are looking for a crochet bag patterns to try our collection, if you need, so you're excited to start your crochet bag projects, this video will help you through many ways. You can select different colors. Why crochet bag patterns make such a great crochet projects? Now you are probably wondering why crochet bag when you can buy one. Anyone can buy a bag, but not everyone can crochet one. The crochet bag purse shopping bag is very unique. They stand out from the crowd. How to crochet bags is a fun new skills that can introduce you to new stitch pattern. And if you want to learn how to add more stitches to your bag or any other project, check out many different stitches to learn. A crochet market bag is a practical to use while getting your groceries, plus you don't need to use plastic bags. Mother Nature will be happy about it. Crochet purses are one of a kind. You can use whatever colors you like and even use a bit of your stash to make your colorful bags. Going to the beach is easy when you own a crochet beach bag. You will always be able to find your spot thanks to your one of kind bag. Even if you are a beginner, you can sharpen your crochet skills by practicing and making these bag patterns. If you are looking for the best crochet bag patterns, then look no further. This video is just for you. Are you new to crochet? Are you new to crochet? No worries. Even the best crocheter started a beginner. So welcome to the crochet world community. I have the best crochet patterns for beginners to learn and enjoy yourself. There are different types of crochet bags. Crochet bags come in all forms, shapes, size and stitches. You can even use all kind of yarns and crochet hooks for the projects. Of course, all that depends on how you would like your crochet bag to look. Most crocheters prefer to use cotton yarn for bags because of its durability and washability. They also commonly use medium weight or a bulky weight yarn for strength. Do you enjoy shopping or getting food of your local market? Do you hate using the plastic bags? If you do, then make crochet bags and market bags is something that you will love. Crocheted market bags or shopping bags are durable. They last longer compared to plastic bags. You can pick your favorite color and create all kind of designs with so many patterns to choose from. A crochet market baskets or bags is your next go-to bag each time you shop for your groceries. They also make a great gift for your friend and family. The best thing about crocheting is you can create all sort of items Among the favorite of crocheters are making purses, clutches, and shoulder bags. For one, they are perfect gift to give, and to these bags never go out of style. You can crochet one of any occasion. If you love the idea of bringing a unique purse, shoulder bag, or a clutch or event, then